Artist MD with Our Ancient Truth, back with another video. So today, this video is coming from Colombia, and it's basically just a round metal spherical ball just flying around. Nobody knows how the fuck it's doing it, but let's check the video out. So right off the bat, this shit don't look too crazy. I mean, I get it. It's a metal sphere shaped ball that's flying. Okay, that I get it. That's crazy. And a lot of people are like, it could be a drone inside, but the wind won't push down from the rotors if there's a drone inside of a metal spherical ball. So that's out the picture. It can't be a drone inside. I heard somebody say there could be drones above it with a tether coming down, like some kind of light thing that it's attached to. I mean, I doubt that. Also, and this is not the first video of this. There's been multiple videos. If you've been following this community and been into UFOs for a minute, you've seen these spherical balls before. Nobody can explain how they fly, but it's not too out of this world to me. Personally, to me, it's not out of this world. I think people could do this shit. Right there, it's kind of going up and down. Not saying that there's some kind of drone way up here in the air, like a couple thousand feet up with a tether. I don't think that's doing too much to make a UFO sighting. But it is. I want you to notice it is kind of going up and down like this. So just check that out. Keep an eye on that. Oof. Now it's going up and. I think there are a few holes on the side too. Actually, I think that's one hole right there, and that's another hole on the side of it. Maybe more. Whee. So I won't lie, this shit is kind of weird. It's pretty unbelievable though, because it's a metal ball. You do have a couple holes on the side of it. I'm assuming there may be a few more on the other sides, but it's a metal ball that's floating, and it does appear to be the propulsion system doesn't actually, it's not clear what the propulsion system is. So I would just kind of assume that it is some kind of new way that they found to basically propel objects in space, because it's definitely not on the tether. I'll tell you that. It's not a fucking drone at the top with a tether coming down. I don't think it's that. You'll be able to see the fucking drone up here somewhere probably. So I don't think it's a drone at the top and it's a tether coming down and it's basically, holding the object. I don't think it's a drone inside, because like I said, the drone would have to push the wind down. You know what I'm saying? You have to push it down for it to fly. So I don't think it's a drone inside of it. I think it is some anti-gravity technology. I won't lie.